धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Due to this, wildlife is now dying out faster than ever before in the Earth's history.
Yes, Komal. The consumption of Earth resources has increased so much that one day nothing will be left for the man to eat. So please protect the animals and plants in their natural homes.
Imagine for all this and leave the negative attitude. Learn the positive attitude from those wild animals who have forgotten all the enmity and dictatorship of one and all. This attitude activates the faith and gets one at full power for the day.
So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the little kids who are going to present a wonderful jungle dance.
What's going on?
Ding, ding. Bam, bam. Ding, ding. Bam, bam.
Break it. Break it.
It's too short to love. How do people get time to hate?
जिंदगी प्यार करने के लिए ही बहुत छोटी है, तो लोगों को नफरत के लिए समय कहाँ से मिल जाता है? Now, I would like to invite our respected principal, Mr. H.K. Joshi, to present the school report.
Chairman Inspiration Public School Society, Mr. N.C. Valutia, Chairperson of the school, Dr. Geetika Valutia, Director B.Ed, Mr. Deepak Valutia, Manager, Senior Secondary School, Mr. Sanjay Valutia, members of this school, distinguished guests, principals of other schools, estimated parents, members of the press, staff, ex-students, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students. It is indeed my proud privilege and a great honor to extend a very warm welcome to you all, who so gladly have responded to our humble invitation and graced this occasion. I am personally thankful to Sri Srish Kumar, PCS, for having so graciously consented to be the chief guest of the momentous auspicious occasion in spite of his hectic schedule. This in itself speaks about his love for the school and the interest in its growth, development and well-being. Sir, we are very thankful for your gracious presence today. On this grand and eventful occasion, I extend the school good wishes and the greetings of the entire Inspiration family to this selected gathering and to all the members of the staff and students and all our predecessors whose sincere dedication has brought the school to its present respectable level of excellence. I am optimistic that by sincerely following the traditions laid down by our predecessors and by putting in extra effort with a sense of commitment, the school will be able to contribute its humble bit by turning out young responsible citizens who in turn would help the country grow more secure, more prosperous, stronger and more stable to face the tasks and the challenges which we have visualized while standing on the threshold of the next millennium. The August and the Representative Assembly would be delighted to know that Honorable Chief Guest Sri Srish Kumar, PCS, is one of the outstanding figures with a vast and rich experience in a variety of fields. Right from his student days, he has been very closely associated with a score of youth and other welfare organizations and programs. His intimate association with the active involvement in the various socio-cultural programs has earned him a lot of applause from all over. Our esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Srish Kumar, has held various important appointments which include SDM Nainital, Pithogarh, DD Hart, Gangoli Hart, Dharchula. At present, City Magistrate of the Haldwani. During his present tenure as City Magistrate, Haldwani has developed in many areas including infrastructure. He is 2002 batch PCS. He did his schooling from Kotdwar, Pauri Garhwal, and post-graduate education from Allahabad University. He is law graduate from Allahabad University. The most challenging and the difficult task which he has taken up nowadays is Atikraman Hatao Mahabhiyan. For this noble task, the Haldwani and the people of Haldwani will ever remain grateful to you, sir. Annual Day celebrations have its own place of pride and importance in the school calendar. It is an occasion for rejoicing, yet it is a day of stock-taking of our achievements and shortcomings. The schools continues to maintain its good track record in academics. In spite of hectic and busy schedule, a number of other co-curricular activities which are the hallmark of the public schools, academics continues to be our prime concern and the top priority. Students under the able guidance of the academic staff have achieved excellent results in field of academics. The results of secondary school certificate examination 2008-2009 have been 100%. However, from senior secondary section, 98% of the cadets have cleared the examination. In class 10, Master Gaurav Pandey secured 88.5% and Kamal Vish secured 86.4% marks. In class 12, Master Vishal Nagwani scored 84.5% marks. Bharat Vikas Parishad and Public Schools Association Haldwani honored Gaurav Pandey, Kamal Vish and Vishal Nagwani for their outstanding performance in board examination. All they deserve a pat on their backs. A great amount of emphasis is given to sports and games. It is mandatory for every student to participate in sports and games. The physical endurance and the stamina of the students, both boys and girls, is also tested at the cross-country race conducted almost every year. In district level inter-school Kho-Kho championship organized by DSA, Haldwani, boys under 19 years of age lifted the trophy and girls team were the runners.